New season, new look, new goals. It's time to drop the gate on Super Motocross 2025. That is the beginning line of the official Triumph Racing Instagram saying, well, this is their, I don't know how you want to call it, the announcement of who's racing where. Saying Austin Forkner and Jordan Smith will make their competitive debut on the TF250X at the 250SX West Opener at Anaheim 1, while Jalik Swoll and Styles Robinson gear up to take on a 250SX East Series. Technically, I believe this is also, or will be, the East Series will also be Styles Robinson's debut for Triumph. Maybe correct me if I'm wrong on that. I don't think he raced for him last year, but this is big. I mean, obviously, last year they had three completely different people. Well, not completely. They had three other people. They had Jalik Swoll, Evan Ferry, and Savachi. Ferry didn't make it till the end of Supercross. Savachi didn't make it the end of the year. Jalik Swoll held out the whole time, so good for him. You know, I mean, to be honest, factory team, he's probably pretty happy to still be there. But obviously, Forkner and Jordan Smith going west is two big names going against, who is it now? Shimoda and whoever. Wait, don't know about PC. I don't believe so. But obviously, Deegan's going west. So there's the big three probably. I mean, obviously, Forkner should be a title contender. Hopefully, I mean, unless he's absolutely horrible on this bike, we'll end up seeing. And then Jalik Swoll and Styles Robinson going east. We'll see how that goes. Obviously, I think East is going to be the easier division this year. Maybe. I mean, you still have Vial, but otherwise, not many people are going there. But I don't know. I'm excited for this. Obviously, A1's always a good time. Especially with the break of the racing, just always kind of sucks. But hopefully, we see something good. Hopefully, we see Forkner make it through a full year and not get hurt. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What happens at A1? Who wins? Do you think Forkner's do good? What do you think of the team in general? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.